Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some boho knotless bob braids, and we're going to be using the color number 30. So now I'm going to add some shine and jam onto the curly hair just to help with the separating. We're only applying product to the blunt ends like this, and then you comb it out a little bit. So now I'm going to be adding small pieces of the curly hair onto the hair rack. And because I'm doing small to medium size braids, I don't need thick pieces of hair. So this section of the rack is now completed. This is hair that I previously purchased and it's way too long for a bob, so I'm gonna have to cut it in half and stretch it out. If I did not already have this 52-inch braiding hair, then I would have definitely got a 28-inch or 38-inch because that would have been way easier. Now this length is perfect for a bob. So now the rack is complete. 3 sides of expression straight hair and 1 side of curly human hair. I'm going to be using rods to curl the ends of the braiding hair, the expression hair, and you'll need some jam, braiding jam, you'll need a comb, you'll need some clips and some rubber bands. I had and pre-parted her hair, and I did 6 rows on each side on the front and 8 rows on the back. So let's get started. So these are just some gold strings that I bought at the beauty supply, and I thought it'll be cute. So I did regular knotless braids for the first 3 rows or so. I did not add any curly pieces until I got to the 3rd or 4th row. So here I'm just doing a regular knotless braids, and I'm tying the ends or making a knot at the ends when I get to the desired length. So I've added 2 to 3 pieces of the curly human hair up to this point. So this is what it looks like so far, and now I have 2 rows on the left and 2 rows on the right. So I'm going to be adding more of the curly human hair pieces to each braid, 4 to 5 pieces, just to make it full. So now that I'm finished braiding, I'm gonna trim all the little hair that's sticking out. It's number 30, it's not her real hair. And then I'm gonna separate the curly pieces of human hair from the braiding hair because I don't want to dip the curly pieces of hair in hot water. Now I'm dipping the braiding hair in hot water. I'm not going to be dipping the curly pieces in hot water. Although it's human, sometimes it tangles. So to avoid any drama, I'm just not going to dip it. Now I'm curling the ends of the braiding hair. Now I apply mousse to the braiding hair and to the curly pieces. Now I'm going to be cutting the curly pieces and the pieces that I've curled with the rods, so to get my desired length of the bob. Now I'm gonna shine it up with a little Shine and Jam oil sheen and some glosser just to tame and get the curly pieces soft and pretty. So this is the finished look. We played around with the hair for a bit, trying to find a style that she wanted, and she just wanted it in a ponytail with a bun, a messy bun. So that's what we did at the end. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know what you think in the comments section. And guys, I know she doesn't look happy, but I promise she's very happy. This is a normal face. This is my gorgeous, gorgeous sister, by the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. And have a great rest of your day. Bye.